Okay, this one here we have a couple things, and I want to say, notice everything is a squared. All right, makes me tend to think that I might be looking at some Pythagorean type identities. So let's look at this one. First off, tangent x squared plus 1 is exactly what? Secant squared. So I can change that one up right away. Now this cosine squared x minus 1 is not sine squared because it takes 1 minus sine squared to be cosine squared. So it's kind of a little bit backwards for that. But now I can do this here. 1 minus sine squared is this. And I have this 1 minus that 1 before I multiply it by that. Well, guess what's going to happen to the 1's? They're going to cancel out, giving me a negative sine squared. And now I'm going to rewrite, notice I got a tangent. And I can get tangent from sine squared and cosine squared. So can I make a secant squared into a cosine squared of any way? Yes, by the reciprocal identity. That's 1 over cosine squared, which will give me a negative sine squared over cosine squared, which is a what? Negative tangent squared. But it starts with just finding one thing, like the secant. Then I found that one. That one might be a bit tough to see. I know there's several different ways you can do these. That was one way that I came up with to particularly find that one. It might make it a little bit easier to understand.